Namaskar kids, this is your teacher from Bal Bharti Public School. Hope you all are eating healthy and washing your hands frequently. Children, today we'll do pouring activity with lentils. For this activity, we need a ice tray, a bowl full of lentils and a spoon. We need to hold the spoon with our two fingers and a thumb like this. Two fingers and a thumb. Now fill the spoon with lentils and slowly pour it in the tray. Again fill it and slowly pour it in the tray. This activity should be done in strict adult supervision. Hope you all enjoyed the activity. Thank you.